I think the first thing is you got to figure it out, right? You got to figure out what's going on, and I think it's a good place to start is typically your captains, and then I think we did a lot of leadership meetings, some by class, and then some collectively as a group. So I think you got to identify the issue. You know, are you in a losing streak and that's not going well? Are younger kids playing and older kids aren't anymore? They put them on the bench. So you gotta always identify the issue of what's causing the problem, and then you gotta break it down on how we're gonna figure this out. To figure out any team problem, it has to be everybody's problem, and everybody has to have a voice. So we would have locker room talk. You know, that's what we would call it. Okay, time for locker room talk. Something's kind of going on, and you gotta allow people two things, because coaches lots of times want to fix it, but you got to allow people their voice in the locker room, everybody, and then you got to allow them to solve it. So we'd write on the board. Okay, so whatever it is, we have issues with players that are feeling not a part of the team because they don't make the travel roster. We're in the ACC or in conference. Not everyone's playing, so we'd write down how are we going to manage the non-traveling players. And then we brainstorm, and they might say to me, this is an actual example, on the recovery day, coach, if you coach the kids because we split them in two groups, so the kids that played a lot would be in a recovery group, jogging, stretching, and then the other kids would play 5 even 5 because they didn't play and they have to go hard. So if you on the recovery day go with people that don't play, that's gonna I think be really good for our team chemistry. No problem. They solve it for me. I'll go over with that group. So we would have the locker room talk. We basically let it all out. What are our issues? And then we try to problem solve and put it back together. And then we put the onus on the player. When they problem solve it, they kind of have to follow through, as opposed to a coach saying, "This is how we're going to do it." Freshmen, seniors, you're going to take a freshman every day for lunch because they don't feel a part of the team. We're making them do it. We're making them do that. So you got to kind of let